Hello friends, welcome back to the Black Dog channel. On the internet I found this interesting drink. It's some kind of Egyptian lemonade. Today we're going to try it out. To make this interesting drink, we'll need 2 limes, 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, you can add some mint in the end. Now let's mix it up. That smells so good. We'll sift through this drink we made. Here I have some ice. I'll pour the drink in and we can try it. Oopsie daisy! Let's try it. It's very limey, but overall it's pretty good. Oh, does he want to try it? I think he does. Who loves sour sweet drinks? This will be perfection. So if you want to find out more fun recipes that also taste really good, check out the Black Dog channel. But until then, I'll drink this a lot.